Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Milk, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox Bedwars video. And in today's video, we're kind of going to be doing something insane. We're going to be trying out this, the wizard kit. So, yeah, but before we do that, I did see a new item in the item shop. So we're going to see what that does. It looked like shears to me, but I don't think there's sheep in this update. Yeah, we're gonna check out what this is first. Also, by the way, I'm not sure if we're going to be checking out the kit in this video. Maybe if we get enough likes or like enough comments I should buy it, then maybe. Because I got scammed last time on this epic hat right here. And I kind of wish I didn't buy the Demogorgon hat because, like, I mean, it's epic and all, but it's a waste of 1,150 Robux. And I also wasted 50 of my Robux today on a cat hat. Like staring cat hat. I mean, it's epic, okay, but I still have 1K Robux left. I have 1.000 like 5K or something. Where is it? Where's the item? Oh, here it is. Shears. What does it do? What do these shears do? I knew it looked like shears. But what do I do with these things? And the bed model is still not updated. Dang it. This guy's gonna come over. He looks like a rusher. I can already tell. Alright, thank you. Give me the shears. What does it do? What do these shears do? Can I, like... What do I do? What do I do with this? Wait. Hold on, I want to test things. Does it, like, affect to wool in any way? Hold on. What is this? Emerald sword. Okay, 4. What the heck? It's black. Wait, what? Oh, I was about to say, did they update it? Wait, what? Shears. Dude, I'm trying to do a showcase here. Okay, you can't just kill me, bro. I was trying to showcase something. So is that just a weapon, or can it like destroy any block? I wonder. That's interesting. I wonder if like that's a weird looking item. Or actually, I think I'm gonna go with a custom match for now because they're gonna be so much easier because there's no one that's going to be able to rush us. Okay, let's go 16v16. I'll just go ships ahoy. I'll create the match and I'll not show anyone the code. Or I mean, like, you'll be able to join somehow if this is somehow a live stream, which it's not. It isn't using screencast. Oh my gosh, like the wizard, he looks ugly, but like, do I do anything about it? Like, do I buy it? The code is T5LV. Imagine someone just joins me mid-game. That would literally be impossible unless someone is just like a random code guesser. Just like generates random letters and numbers. So we need to get 30 iron, and while we do that, we can stare at this amazing thing. Which, by the way, you guys can buy for yourselves. Yes. The Demogorgon costume mask. Yeah, I bought the Demogorgon costume. Yeah. No, that's what I want it to be like. It should be like this. It should be bigger. It's just so small. It can't fit on my head, okay? I mean, it's either that my head is huge, or, yeah, we have to buy wool first, obviously. Oh yeah, and then we're going to buy, shears. Then we're going to buy a different kind of block, because I just want to see, what's a different kind of block? Oh yeah. Let's not do the ceramic, because it might be, like, the same material as wool. Let's actually wait for, like, wood. But, let's see. Don't tell me this can destroy anything, though. I don't know what that did. Like, what's the point of shears, even? Is it just, like, a faster way to destroy wool? Wait. Let me test. Wool. Pickaxe. 1, 2, 3. 3 takes. This. Or, yeah, I'm using technical stuff. 1. Oh, that's helpful. Well, you can just do that with, like, a better pickaxe or whatever. Wait, don't tell me that can, like, do the exact same thing with, like, wood. Just don't tell me. Wait, 5. A pickaxe is better than that, bro. Okay, so It's basically just like a very efficient way of like taking out wool. Well, like that like you didn't need to add that. Like that barely helps with anything. Oops, I moved my screen. Yeah, that like barely helps with anything. Like there's like no use for that unless I'm stupid. And there's like some sheep around the map. Even though I just watched a video on this update and someone for some apparent reason clearly like ignored this or just didn't see it. Yo, wait, can you mine the map? No. It'd be cool if you could mine the map. It'd be so cool. Yeah, but I guess you guys know what time it is. It is time to buy the wizard kit. Or just end the video. I think I'm gonna end the video. Bye.